today I have Four Bears Sticker Club, and this is the July 2021 Big Kids pack. They have the Big Kids or the Little Kids option, which is just a difference in the designs that come in the pack. It does come in this envelope, which I went ahead and opened so that I wouldn't have to struggle with it on camera. And let's get into it. All right. So first off, they have a little message of the month, and I'll just leave this right here so you can pause and read it if you would like to. All right, here's what we've got for stickers. I'm going to just set these to the side right now so we can look at them one at a time. Okay, so the first one is, I guess, like cheetahs and jungle plants. A little toucan and flamingo. So I guess just jungle creatures, maybe. Tropical creatures. Very cute. And they have some metallic spots on them. That's so cute. Okay. The next one is chickens. Funny chickens. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Let me bring it closer. I love these. I love like quirky, funny stickers. Okay. Those are hilarious. Okay, next we have some clouds with metallic designs, like patterns on them. Very cute. I love getting like weather-related stickers for my bullet journal, especially ones that can be used with like a rainy day, because I like to remember when it rains, like for outdoor watering purposes for my garden. Next we have some washi like pieces, not actual like washi material though. It's, you can probably tell it's glossy, like a plastic gloss. Colorful. All right, next we have some summer themed things. I love, there's like these little details though of all these little people, like this guy surfing. Oh, those are cute. The ice cream. I love those. Again, quirky stickers, love it. Okay. Some summer foods, I guess, and food trucks. Maybe it's like street foods. Get it closer here. I like how the style is kind of scribbly, or the coloring is scribbly. The drawings are very precise, but yeah, I like that. Okay, next we have elephants and some hibiscus flowers. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's my favorite. The little cactus. I love cactus related things, but I love elephants too because elephants are adorable. I learned a fact that said that elephants have the same like reaction in their brain as humans have when they see puppies. So apparently elephants think humans are like adorable, which I thought was really cute. So that just made me love elephants a little bit more. All right, the last sticker sheet is, woo, very sparkly. I think I'm gonna have to hold this one. Well, here's the overall sheet. It says chilling sloths. So there's lots of, let me see if I can hold it in a way that you can see the sloths. they're very cute. I think I'm gonna bring this one to school and add it to my school sticker collection to stick on spelling tests and things, because the kids will love those. They're very cute. And then every month we get a postcard. Looks like this on the back. I love their little logo, so cute. But it matches the first sheet. So if I use this for post crossing, I will definitely have to coordinate, put a sticker on the back. I might do that after I record so that I don't forget to use a coordinating sticker with it. Very cute. Okay, so let's recap what I got here. So first we had the jungle animals, and then the quirky chickens, the clouds, the washi pieces, the cute little summery stickers, street food, elephants and flowers, and finally the sloths. All right, so that is 8 sheets and 1 postcard for our pack for July 21. Super cute. I like that this pack has a very different style than like Sticky Club or Mrs. Grossman's, or what's that other sticker? Sticky, oh well. Anyway, it has a very unique style, which I like that. I really love the style of their stickers. I love the quirky stickers. Like I've gotten quirky stickers every single month from them, so I really like that theirs are like creative and different. I really like using weird stickers in my bullet journal. So that's this month's forebears. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I will see you next time. Bye.